What if I told you that there is a fully free open source AI coding agent, just like Cursor or Cloud Code, but it costs you absolutely nothing. Works in your terminal or desktop app, and it supports like several AI models which are free, and there is also like paid options. The tool is called OpenCode, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up with completely free using LLM models in 2 minutes. Stay until end of this video. I will show you how to run a fully offline AI coder with zero API cost at all. So what is OpenCode? OpenCode is a free open source AI coding agent for terminal as well as a beta version for desktop app built by the team behind SST, the popular serverless framework. It gives you like a beautiful terminal UI where you can describe what you want, fix bugs, refactor the functions, anything like a normal AI tool. And the interesting part is it provides you free LLMs like GPT, some versions, some free other LLMs which you can completely use it for free, and you can also connect that to other paid LLM as well. It crossed like around 120k GitHub stars and has crossed like 5 million monthly active developers, making this one as one of the most popular open source coding agent in the world. And this is really competing with Cursor or Cloud Code, because with Open Code you can connect to n number of LLM models, and you don't have to specifically use like Sonnet or OPEX, which are Anthropic. So let's get directly into how you can set this one up, and let's see how you can set up for free LLMs, right? This is the document for OpenCode. You can go to the OpenCode and you will get the complete information how to install. You can use curl command for Linux, or you can use the npm installation. You can also download the Windows agent. You can also download the Windows desktop from here. You can see you have a Windows direct installation where you can download the agent and you can install it like an IDE. So what I did is I already downloaded it and I installed it, so it will look like this. It's like a complete kind of instance where you can minimize, you can open folders, you can do a lot of things. You can ask the Slack here, you can enter the queries, you can create GitHub repositories and everything. The interesting part is you can see we can select the model from here, and if you look at this, you already have free models which you can see like Mimo, Big Pickle, Minimax, and you also have like GPT-5 Nano. So you can use all these four LLM models which are completely free. In case if you want to use paid one, yes, you can connect to Anthropic, or you have GitHub Copilot, OpenAI, Google. So the goal of this video is more about to show you free one, so I will stick to this. So you can select GPT Nano, and then you can ask whatever you want. So let's go and do like what is OpenCode, and it will work just like an AI system, and it's you're not setting up anything in locally or anything. It just connect to the direct AI through the internet. You can see it simply did all the analysis, right? And you can even give the code, and you can ask you to analyze. Then it's also have the two options. You can do plan or you can build, right? So what we did is build. You can open new sessions from here, and you can open some new files, new projects. You can even ask to create a simple Node.js project. So anything you ask, it will do the complete like an AI. You can see it's thinking to create a Node.js project, and it's setting up the HTA, drafting project files. So it can do all the coding just like Cloud Code, but you have limitation on what are the LLMs you can use. Let's look at how you can set up in as a CLI or terminal. The Node.js project, which I given, as you can see, it has already completed. It's giving you all the options. Now let's switch back to our terminal. So now you see this is how the terminal will look like, how you can set it up. So I will exit from the screen first. So first you need to do is you need to install the OpenCode. Use if it's Linux, use this command curl, or if it's like you want to use npm, use npm, or if it's a Mac, you can use Mac brew install as well. So once you install, you go back and you have to just run OpenCode. Then it just like Cloud, you just run OpenCode. Then it will switch the command into the OpenCode. And the interesting thing now is like you can use connect, and you can pick up which model you want to use. If you look here, you can have a search, and if you search, you won't see any free version because there are nothing in the default one. So what you can do is you can select OpenCode Zen, and if you run it, it will ask you to put an API key. So it's super simple. You go to the OpenCode AI and you register for it, and then you create an API key. So you click on create API, you enter OpenCode create, and it will create an API key. Just copy that and put it in the API key here and enter. So once you enter, then it will show you the free LLM models, right? You can see you have like Big Pickle, which is free. You have Mimo V2 Minimax 2.5, right? So if I use Big Pickle, now you can see we set the set the LLM as Big Pickle. Then you can ask any question you want. So what is OpenCode? Let's ask the same thing here. Now you can see it started doing all the analysis. You will see like how many tokens we use, how much is the cost. But since we are using this free LLM, it doesn't charge you anything. Only thing you have to do is create an account with opencode.ai. Just create a token and then use that token over here. So you can see it started doing all the analysis just like AI system, right? It did, and it's giving you the information. You can also look for other details, anything you want. Let's try ask something else, like create a web page. I'm just trying to throw out something, but since it's AI, I'm sure definitely it can build all those things. So you can see it's user want to create, then it starts thinking about what the styling, it start preparing the complete HTML page with aesthetic. So, and it's not slow, huh? It's not like we are doing Ollama, which we have to download the LLM model to local to your machine, and then you're not connecting. So I showed you previously like how to run cloud code with Ollama for free, then also with OpenRouter for free. This is also another approach which you can use. You don't even need to set up anything like Ollama. You just install OpenCode and you switch from cloud code to OpenCode. So you can see it's already started writing the whole code, for the HTML and everything. So now I just need to open the file. So you can see this is the file we just created. Super great, right? So it's super great, with just a free LLM. It has created me this super nice web page by just asking, a simple command. It have all the features, right? Like a button, or what the styling we given. It's super nice. So how do you want to switch the LLM? You just use connect again, and you can use which model you want to use. So these are all having you need to have API keys, which are paid ones. If you want to use a free one, use OpenZen and just use your API key again from your OpenCode. So just copy the API key, then put it here. So it will ask you to select which one. So if you want to select Minimax or something, just switch to that. So you will see that it switched to the next LLM, which is free. So what we have seen, we have seen how to install OpenCode using different commands, right? Just follow it for the installation based on which operating system. You can download the app version for Windows. You can also set up Ollama along with OpenCode. You can, but it's almost the same process like how we did. You just install Ollama and pull some your LLM model, then OpenCode will automatically detect it, so you don't have to do anything. So super simple. You can download some Ollama, the LLM models, which are like Quan or Code Llama or DeepSeek or something, which is locally into your machine, and then you can run with OpenCode. Quick comparison, right? The OpenCode is completely free. Again, this one also have the terminal, as well as you have an option to run from your as a app. Then you have a lot of LLM providers which you can connect, paid one as well as free. You can also run Ollama as it is, and this is completely open source, where you have like Cursor, Copilot, or Cloud. You have to pay for based on like $20 per month or something like that. So that's it for these 3 steps, right? Install, get your free API keys, or just use the GPT which is available, and use your open code, and everything. You can run it completely for free. Give a thumbs up. You give a subscribe to my channel if you like this, and drop your favorite free model which you will use with OpenCode in the comment section. I would like to know what you are going to use. Again, I will ask you to like and subscribe and share, so that this video can reach to a lot more people. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.